and ammonia, making the atmosphere dense and suffocating. This was early Earth, a hostile and volatile place. The surface was constantly bombarded by meteors, chemicals, a churning mix of elements and compounds. They were a cauldron of chemicals, a primordial soup where the ingredients of life would mix and mingle. In this nutrient-rich environment, the building blocks of life began to form, setting the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see today. The early oceans were a vast laboratory energized by the sun's radiation and the heat from Earth's core. These waters were teeming with potential, a cauldron of chemical reactions waiting to happen. Simple molecules, the building blocks of life, swirled in this primordial soup. These molecules, containing elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, collided and combined in countless ways, driven by the energy from the sun and the geothermal heat from the Earth's interior. These collisions and combinations were not random. They followed the laws of chemistry and physics, leading to the formation of increasingly complex molecules. Over Over eons, Earth transformed, creating the perfect conditions for life to flourish. The story of life on Earth is still being written, and each new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Scientists continue to uncover the mysteries of our origins, piecing together the grand narrative of life.